Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. How are you? I hope you all are will be fine. The story I am going to tell you today, it is the story of young Christopher. Christopher is just 25 years old guy, and he lived at the little town. And in this town, a lot of people profession was farming. People did farming to live a good life. In fact, the profession of the people of the town, it was farming. Through farming they survived, and they grew their good crops of wheat and other things. Christopher was a person who was very abusive, and he did not have any manners. He abused everyone in the society. You might think he was mad. He abused people without any reason. No, he was not mad. He was a very wise man. Why did he do so? Why did he abuse the people living around him? He abused people and used ill-mannered tongue to threaten them. He threatened them, and by threatening them, he got money. Through farming, the people make money. He got them 20% of their crops. It was his profession. He did nothing. He did not do any work. He did not work hard. He just survived and enjoyed the good life on the behalf of the money of the good people. In fact, the people living in the town and the all farmers were very depressed by him. They wanted to get rid of this guy. This guy, Christopher, had become a real headache for every person living in this town. One day, an old man came. He was just 60 years old guy. His name was James. James was just 60 years old guy. He came in this town and he started working in the farming. He joined the profession of farming and he grew the good crop of wheat. In the season, he made good money with the crop of wheat. His wheat crop became very lush and beautiful and very attractive. He made good money through this wheat crop. When Christopher came to know this old man, he got to this old man and he demanded money. Even he demanded 30% of his share. Old man said what sort of share he had. He did not have any share. Christopher abused him. He used abusive language against this old guy. This old guy got furious. He ignored him. The people living around him, they told this old man about Christopher, and they told this old guy he had been very abusive man throughout his life, and he wanted money through the people, and he wanted money from the people. This old guy could not tolerate the behavior of this young guy. He went to police station. When he got to police station, he was stunned to see the behavior of policemen. The policemen were also favoring this young guy because these policemen were bribed by this young Christopher. He also gave them some money as a share to support his crime. It was a very bad fact for them. Old guy James got home very depressed. When he got home, he started thinking how to get rid of this devil, because he was a devil. He was destroying the peace of every person living in the society. When he realized that there is no power to overpower this young guy, and this old man is helpless to seek any power to overpower this young guy, he went to church. He went to church and he prayed God to help him. And he said to God Your power is the only power that can't be bribed. Dad had justice. By nature, when he left the church, there was a big storm. It was a big windstorm. In this windstorm, everybody got home, but Christopher, who was having very bitter conversation with an old lady. This old lady was laborer in a farm. He was demanding money from this old lady. By a stroke of luck, a little patch, a little straw got into his eye. He rubbed his eye and he got home. When he got up early in the morning, he got the vision of his eye very blurred. He could not see very clearly. He went to doctor and doctor medicated him, but medication could not provide him any relief. After 2 days, he started losing his eyesight, and after 1 week, he became totally blind. When he became blind, he could not get out of his home. The money he got from the people by hook or crook means he survived with this money. But when this money came to an end, he had to survive now. He had to buy food. But he lost everything. He lost his eyesight. 2 months he survived with the money. And people were happy because these people could not have Christopher. Because Christopher could not visit them in 2 months. And every person was happy. Christopher left the town and he went to another town where he started begging money from the people as a beggar. As a blind beggar, he started begging money. After 2 weeks, by chance, this old guy, his name was James, he went to the same city where Christopher was begging money as a beggar from the people. He went into the city and he got stunned to see when Christopher was begging money. Suddenly, an idea came into his mind. He prayed God and he demanded help from God, and God helped him. And people got rid of this hideous man. Now he had become a blind beggar. This old guy came to this young Christopher and he asked him about his current situation. He, beggar Christopher, started weeping by telling him everything. This old guy propagated him. He took him to church and he advised him to beg pardon to his God for his past crimes. This young man, Christopher, accepted the advice of old man. He went to church, he prayed God, he begged pardon from his past crimes, and he begged God to provide him eyesight again. By a miracle, when he got home, there was a doctor eye specialist. This old guy took him to eye specialist. When he got to eye specialist, he treated him. Week after week, he started getting his eyesight back. And after 2 months treatment, he got his eyesight recovered. But now he had become a good man. Now he worked in the farming and he helped the needy, widows and poor people in the society. Thank you.